What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, July 1st, 2019. Bitcoin making a move. This is the type of move that I, oddly enough, enjoy. I want to talk about it. Let's dig into Bitcoin charts. Let's see how low Bitcoin is going to go. First off, I want to start on the daily chart and I'm not going to dig into this too much because we've talked about it a lot within the last week, especially. This area up here, this channel up to 16,000 down to around 13,200 is a Fibonacci retracement resistance area from our past bull market high to our most recent bear market low. This is the 786 to 618 channel, extreme resistance. We hit it perfectly, and from there we had our targets for accumulation on this retracement back down, right? This resistance, this bounce back down. And so I tweeted June 27th that I just bought some Bitcoin at key trendline support, which we're going to look at in a second. And I said I have a heavier buy range for me approaching key Fibonacci retracement on the daily chart, 8,700 to 9,900. And so we are on our way, I guess you can say. So let's look at this. I'm going to also put a link in the description. On that same day, June 27th, I talked about the current Bitcoin move. I'll put a link if you want to check that out as well. But this is what's going on right now. We hit resistance at this huge long-term Fibonacci retracement. It's healthy resistance though. This happened in the last bear market. As we came out of the bear market, we hit similar resistance after seeing awesome gains for Bitcoin, and we came back down a little bit, right? Now the same type of thing is happening, and on this current retracement back down, we have two areas. So for me, first off, I purchased some Bitcoin June 27th right here when we had that like 20% plus day, negative day right here. Here's that candle right there. I purchased some as we approach this trend line, key trend line support, this long-term rising wedge that we've used a lot in previous weeks. Now, that was my first light buy. I said it's kind of like me warming up in terms of accumulation. This is when I buy. I buy the dips, 20%, 30%, 40%. This is what it looks like for me. I bought a little bit of Bitcoin right there, and we just kind of wait to see what happens. After a day like that, it doesn't surprise me. We had a really nice daily candle the next day going up past 12,000 again. But since then, the last few days, we've had some consolidation back down. Now, if we look at the 4-hour chart, you see this symmetrical triangle, which is currently breaking the bottom trend line. And this is what's going on right now. So I'm kind of just sitting, waiting right now. I want to see what happens. If we look at our key Fibonacci retracement area that I talked about in this tweet, we're just at that line, and that is the 618 line on this key Fibonacci channel. So what is this channel? It's pretty much the swing low that we had back in the beginning of June to our swing high resistance area, that long-term Fibonacci we just talked about. And this is what it looks like right here. So this rectangle should be a little bit down. That's a 618 line to 786 line. And you can see it's around $9,900 to $8,700. That is a big channel for me that I'm looking at right now for heavier buying, right? So what's interesting for me, I like times like this when we're just above an area of action for me. When I start buying some more Bitcoin, and we're just above it. We're at a very key support area. This is where we might get some support. We actually might bounce back above and off of this channel right at the 618. It wouldn't surprise me. It happens often. What really wouldn't surprise me is if we get further downside into this channel that I have on the screen, because from that swing high that we had on June 26th, approaching $14,000, down to this channel is more the type of consolidation I was anticipating. Down to this 50 moving average, this blue line you see here on the daily chart, huge area of gravity for Bitcoin. So that 786 line down here, right around $8,700, $8,800, right where that 50 moving average is, real nice confluence, 35% down from swing high. Awesome area for me in terms of buying Bitcoin. That's what I'm looking at right now. I really want to track it. If you're looking at the 4-hour chart, let's see how this line right here, right around 99.50. Let's see how it holds. But we might be soon dropping into this channel, and that's just my area of accumulation, buying some Bitcoin. This is a dip. Now, if we go to the actual weekly chart, just want to show this to you. You can see Bitcoin, and there's our channel of accumulation right here. Bitcoin just with awesome gains on the weekly, right? So we're putting in these higher highs and higher lows. This higher high and current higher low is a stronger one, and that's healthy. And I just want to throw that out there right now, because it's important that everybody understands that moves like this are extremely healthy and normal for Bitcoin in continued uptrend. If we look at the last bear market, as we came out of the last bear market, we saw similar resistance right here. Here's that exact Fibonacci retracement channel. Here's the 618 line, 786. So here's our 618 line. Here's our 786 current resistance, and we're getting a current pullback right now. So how low will it go? Time will tell. Just be ready. You know what I'm doing. You know when I'm taking action. I want to share it with you. I hope you're having a good start to the week. 4th of July in a few days. I hope you enjoy your week this week. If you're here and you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel. I will see you in the next video. Have a great day, and God bless.